everyone. I will present a dialogue about asking and answering questions related to time, day, date, and season. Hi Devi, good morning. Hi Vina, good morning. What time is it now? It is a quarter past 10 in the morning. What day is it today? Today is Wednesday. What is the date today? It is May the 7th. And by the way, what season is it now? No, summer in the morning and rain in the afternoon. Yes, I will prepare to bring an umbrella if it rain and at any time. Better to get ready. Thank you, Devi. You are welcome, Vina.